Alrighty, this is Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're up here in our lunchroom. I kind of wanted to just kind of give you a little glimpse into kind of a day-to-day operation here at Prestige. We're really fortunate here. Our general manager, Eric, here, he obviously is a rocket science, if you ask me, professor, and he has created a system here that enables us to sit at a desk and monitor really the progression of your build that's going on. And why that's so important for us is basically at any given time, we probably don't have two motors that are the same within this facility. And so to track them, to understand where they're at, and as you can tell, I'm old. I've done this for a long time, and I am so impressed with what he has done to give us the tools to do this on a daily basis. And I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. And if you can pan over to the screen there, I'll just kind of give you a glimpse. Here's the sheet. This is kind of basically what it looks like. These are the jobs that are within the facility at this point in time. And you know, obviously, if you're dealing with us, you know you have a 4-digit number. We have a customer kind of describes what the build is, and this is the progression of everything. You know, it's a block, final bore, rotating, piston size, head assemblies, parts, shorts, finished, dyno, shipping, and special notes. So if it's green, then that means it's done. If it's red, we're kind of waiting on something. Black, it needs to be done. So basically, we can just at a glance to understand that, just say here 5242, we come over, the block is done, it's greened out, cylinder head, obviously we have all the parts for it. It needs to be assembled, it needs to be shorted, and then finished and dynoed and crated. So the motor above it has been short blocked, so it needs to go, and it shows us here the parts are green, so it's good. So we can go into final assembly with it. So in the morning, you can just open this up and you can see, you know, basically I think there was, what, 74 lines there. So at a glance, you can look at 74 engines and really have a good grasp of kind of where everything is at and what you have to accomplish. So kudos to Eric. We greatly appreciate him and his hard work. Have a great day.